Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 2.2 question number 15. I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denomination of rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. The number of rupee 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupee 5 coins. The total number of coins is 160. How many coins of each denomination are with me? Let us find. Let the number of fine rupees 5 coins be x. Let the number let the number of let the number let the number of let the number of rupees 5 5 coins be x. Therefore the number of therefore the number therefore the number of therefore the number of rupees 2 coins of rupees 2 coins 2 coins is equal to 3 into number of refined coin 3 into number of rupees 5 coins, or you can write it as 3x. Right? Now number of rupee 1 coins, therefore number of rupees 1 coin, total number is 160, coin is 160 minus number of coins minus number of rupees number of coins of rupees 5 and rupees 2 coins, that is you are getting 160 minus x plus 3x minus 3x plus x, and that is equal to 160 minus, this is not 4 but this is x, here you see this is x1 x 3x plus x, that is 160 minus 4x, this is 160 minus 4x. Now amount of rupees amount of rupee 1 coin is equal to rupees 1 into 160 minus 4x, 160 minus 4x, 160 minus 4x, 160 minus 4x, right? And that is equal to equal to 160 minus 4x, that is equal to rupees 160 minus 4x. Now amount of amount of rupees 2 coin amount of rupees 2 coin is equal to rupees amount of rupees 2 coins is equal to rupees 2 coins equal to 2 coins, that is this one equal to 2 coins is equal to rupees 2 into 3x is rupees 2 into this one 2 into 3x, and that is equal to rupees 6x, right? The amount of rupees 5 coin amount of amount of rupees 5 coins is equal to rupees 5x, rupees 5x, right? Now, according to the question, the total amount is rupees 300, right? According to the question, according according to the question according to the question total amount is rupees 300. Then we can write that 160 minus 4x, 160 minus 4x plus 6x plus 5x plus 5x is equal to 300, right? Now if we add all the numbers, that is 160, 6 plus 5 plus 11x plus 11x minus 4x is equal to 300. Or you can write 160 or 11x is equal to, or you can write that 160 plus 7x is equal to 300. It is 160 plus 7x is equal to 300. Now find the value of x. Now if we transpose this one, that is 7x is equal to 300 minus 160. 160, it is on transposing 160 on the right hand side, on transposing 160 to right hand side, right? Now we are getting 7x is equal to 300 minus 160. If we subtract this, that is 300 minus 160, that is 0, 4, carry 1, 2, 140, that is 140. If dividing both the numbers by 7, dividing both sides, dividing both sides dividing both sides by 7, both sides, dividing both sides by 7, we get 7x by 7 is x, divided is equal to 140 by 7 by 7, or you can get 14, that is you get the value of x is equal to 20, right? To find the value of number of rupee 1 coins, that is number here we'll find number of rupee 1 coins. Number of rupee 1 coins is equal to number of rupee 1 coins is equal to number of rupee 5 coins is equal to number of rupee 1 coin equal to 160. This one number of 1 coin rupees 160 minus 4 is equal to 160 minus 4x, that is equal to 160 minus 4 into 20, that is 160 minus 4880, that is equal to 8080, right? Therefore number of 1 rupee coins is 80, right? Now number of rupees 2 coins, number of rupees 2 coins is equal to number of rupees 2 coins is equal to 3x is equal to 3x is equal to 3x that is equal to 3, and the value of x is 20. The value of x is 20. 3 into 20, that is 3 to the 6, that is equal to 60. Is equal to 60. Number of 2 coins is rupees is 60. Now number of rupees 5 coins, number of rupees 5 coins, number of rupees 5 coins is equal to number of rupees 5 coin is equal to number of rupees 5 coins, this one 5 coins is x, and that is 20, that is 20 to 0, right? Therefore we get the number of rupee 1 coin is 80, number of rupees 2 coins is 60, and number of rupee 5 coin is 20. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.